Waikiki. Come see our room. We'll start off with the bathroom. Really roomy in here actually. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, towels, handheld shower head.
It's different having a light in the shower.
Yeah.
I haven't seen that one before.
No.
Yeah, you got your towels, another light, bin, toilet. Then this bit which I like, which is completely different.
Sink. You've got a hairdryer, extra toilet paper, hand towels, tissues, soap, body lotion. It's a really beautiful setup.
So where the hairdryer is in the bottom. Spare
Yeah.
toilet paper, which is a rare one.
Yeah.
So it's like an open concept, obviously a door for the toilet, but out here is all open to the room.
I like that.
I'll have to go from this way. And then obviously, once again, your typical extra storage, hangers, safe.
Ironing board, iron.
What's that? Must be the torch. Ironing board. Yeah, so it's like a open concept type entry with your sink. And now into the main part.
We have a twin, two queen room.
You can get this also, I think, with a king and a couch. I think it comes with in the other one. Obviously, we've got way too much baggage, so we are happy to have the room. So you've got your reading lamps on the sides of the bed, artwork, big TV.
Beautiful clean beds. We have a station over here. They give you complimentary water bottles because they have water filling stations all throughout the hotel.
And you keep them too, they're yours, inclusive.
Yeah. An ice bucket, glasses, which is great. Everywhere we've been has been
No glasses, or they have throwaway cups that dissolve after 2 drinks.
We have a coffee station. They give you coffee pods.
Your lamp.
Keurig, I love that coffee pod. Have a little sitting area. I really, really enjoy this.
Yeah, it's good because you can be sort of inside, outside.
Yeah.
If it's crappy weather, you can at least open the doors and...
We have
Fridge.
mini fridge.
I'm sure we'll be putting things in that as well.
Oh yeah.
So I think, I don't know whether it has many... PowerPoint's always a hard one because a lot of people ask about PowerPoints. But half the time you've got to try and find them. Oh, they've got them on the side of the lamp too, don't they?
Yeah, and then over here on the wall there's one on each side of the TV.
Yeah. So yeah, there's plenty of places.
But the best bit...
When we got to the hallway, you could hear the ocean outside our door because there's a side door down the other end, but...
We are literally right on the water. It is stunning.
Yeah, you don't get any closer than this. You can see Diamond Head out here, all the way along the coastline. I think that's Kahala Resort, I think it is. And then all the way down to the Hilton, down the other end there. That building's just blocking the Rainbow Tower. But yeah, it's like about as close as you can get. I would say this water would just about come right up at night, once the tide comes up. But usually, I know during the day, a lot of time people walk out here, you can see turtles, everything during the day. So I dare say, once the sun comes out and the water clears up, because it's so overcast at the moment.
I think because of the weather, the water's a bit murky at the moment, because normally it is crystal clear.
Yeah, that's why I was saying, I reckon even once it clears up, but they did say too, be careful of the water the next few days, because they've had a lot of rain and a lot of crap comes out of the Alawai Canal, so they usually say to give it a day or two because the water could be pretty gross. So that could be also why.
So murky.
Yeah, it's very, because it is. I've never seen the water this dark.
No.
The sky doesn't help. When it's clear days, it's a lot better.
Yeah.
But I would say that's probably the biggest problem at the moment is purely the weather and the fact that it has had a lot of rain. So I think they got something like that. They claimed it was up to like 8 inches or something, but everywhere did flood. So Waikiki was like a foot deep in water. So
far, so good today.
yeah, hopefully it's meant to clear up tomorrow. The next day meant to be really sunny the next couple of days. So we're off to Coolowah Ranch for the UTV tour tomorrow. So hopefully it's all good. But so far it's beautiful, isn't it? You got, I'm not 100% what's downstairs, but I think you've got a bar near the pool. You've got monkey pod, but we'll also do a full walk around at the hotel like we always do. At least sort of give you the basic rundown on exactly what is here. But yeah, as for everything, it's beautiful. It's a huge room.
Yeah.
So I think it cost us, it was about, it's not cheap. I didn't realize what it cost till I was going through then, but this place was about, I think it was $2,300 or something US for 3 nights, because we're here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday night. And I think in Australian it was about $2,900. So I think Aulani Disney Resort, what did I say, that was about 2,500 Aussie for 2 nights, about $12.50 a night. And we didn't even get we got upgraded out there. So here, this is just, I think, about as good as it gets, because we're oceanfront. Unless you're up higher, I assume they've probably got like more bigger rooms again. But what do you want that's better than this? This is about as good as, it's all we need. And yeah, it's definitely not a cheap hotel, but you're paying for what you're getting a good view, good location, everything is nearby. You've got all your typical things like Starbucks, everything. You've got Beach Walk Cafe across the street and a million other shops. Yeah, Denny's is literally across the road. So you've got a lot of places right nearby. And like we said, Hilton is, you'd walk there in 3-4 minutes.
Is like a block up.
Yeah, so you can get to everything so super quick. We just had a rental that we just dropped back, and that was over near Ross's, across the road from Shoreline on Seaside Avenue, and it took us not even 5 minutes. I reckon 5-10 minutes we were back here. Yeah. So, but we'll do walking, we'll do some walks down there, we'll go to Hilton. We're probably gonna get some drone footage as well to add in here. So yeah, we'll definitely add some more stuff in, and hopefully more to come.
Make sure you hit that like button. If you're not following, hit that follow button as well. And we hope to see you on our next video.
Till the tourists all come on and scare it away. Oop, nah, see people coming. Doesn't want to bar in. I'll go find another place to rest. That was awesome. Alright, so we're going to follow Alli down, because down here is, we're on the 4th floor, and it's just down around the corner, and then we turn into a door, bin, set his phone, and what's in them. So you've got your water refill, ice. It's actually not too bad for a hotel, $2. If that was back home, it'd be what, $4 or $5 for a can?
Yeah.
Even Powerades and that vitamin water, $4. Powerade, $3. So it's cheap. But yeah, so you got water refill stations. All our outriggers so far have had it. I think Beachcomber had it too, yeah?
Yeah.
But I know the outrigger Waikiki definitely did. There's all little balconies everywhere too. I'm not gonna lie though, it would be a little bit sucky being down here. I've seen a few people, I think someone in one of our other videos commented they stayed here, and that's your view. So that it would be a bit, I don't know, it might be just me. I mean, if you were out all day you wouldn't really care, but yeah, most of the time we just sit on the balcony at night, so it's not too bad. But like it's just saying, like, that's a balcony right here, that's your view. You wouldn't want to be spending any time at the hotel. I mean, at least you don't have a room looking at you, I guess. Like, you don't have... You've got people going to their room, but you don't have a room direct.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So at least you don't have to worry about people staring straight back at you, I suppose. At night it'd be pretty private. But otherwise... Yeah, don't know how I feel. This was just, I don't even know who they were called. I didn't even look, I feel rude. But we just stopped and got some huli chicken, some shrimp, teriyaki chicken, and some malasadas, which we'll break out in a second as well. Is it good? It looked good. So we just thought, we're gonna go out, we need to stop eating out at fancy places or expensive places. So I think these were $8 a pop, so it still added up, but still saves us going out drinking all that crap. Okay, so the time is currently 7:20-ish, nearly 7:20 p.m. in Hawaii. So sun's setting over there behind the clouds. You would have seen just before, there was a little bit of sunset action. There's your Diamond Head off in the distance. A lot of boats are out there tonight. A lot of them must have already headed back in. There was an absolute crap load out there before. One of the sunset tours is still out there. There's a couple of big ships and a couple of the other boats. I think it's like the Star, I can't remember the name, Starline or something like that does all the meals. But as you can see, it's literally right on the water. But I just thought I'd add this onto our room just so you get an idea of what it's like at night time. So there's all the other rooms around that side. You can see how close the building is there, and there's a couple of rooms beside us. So you're literally staring, but I'm pretty sure I will add that in too, or have added that in. Don't know what that was, sounded like Claire. But it's an incredibly beautiful night, beautiful breeze. The temperature is just perfect. I think it's about 24, 25 still, but it's been raining the last couple of days, so it's a really, really nice night. But at least you get an idea of what it's like. I might post a little bit more once it's a bit darker again, just to see what we can see, how dark it is around here, but still a heap of people down there. A lot of people on the beach, a lot of animals. We just come from down at Hilton Village and that was packed. A lot of people walking, so. But yeah, it was a couple of drinks, and then tomorrow we've got Kualoa Ranch UTV tour, so probably won't be too much of a big one tonight, but yeah, see how it goes until we're back again.